Ay, favorite daw kayo ng isang Colette Vergara, oh. Pero syempre, we would like to thank everyone who continues to believe us po. Maraming salamat sa aming ABS-CBN bosses, Beanie Management, and to the whole team Beanie. Maraming salamat po. And grabe, successful ang ating 4-leg sa Canada! Maraming salamat din, of course, sa aming coach, Direct Coach Mickey Purse! And Coach Ana! Hi, Coach!
Yes, and thank you po to all the staff and crew of Beaniverse Canada. You guys are the best. To our producer, Tala Entertainment, Miss Yana and Mr. Gerald. To our co-presenters, Tinuno, Mitsiville Farm and Residences, JMC Visa Partners. Thank you po.
Yes, and we'd also like to thank the people behind our music, Star Music family. Thank you also to ABS-CBN Events family and TFC family, and to Tita Lerma and to the Cherry of Versa. Thanks so much, and to TFC's brand partners, Western Union and Philippine Airlines.
Thank you so much, Miss Aika, Coach Manchu, Mami Jo. Thank you so much. And of course, Bloom, thank you so much. Sobrang na-feel namin yung love and support nyo. Kahit saan man kami, kahit wala kami sa Pinas, grabe pinapakita nyo, pinapa-feel nyo sa amin. Yung mga Blooms na complete nila. 4 shows ng Canada, nandun sila. Kaya thank you so much, guys. Since 2019, nandyan kayo para sa amin. Yes, thank you because you allowed us to take you into our own world. And please always remember that you are part of our Beaniverse!